guys, so today we are going to try and install this. So basically what we have to take off are these hinges. So there's 4 on both sides. The 2 on the roll bar here up top. And then you have to take this plate off, these 3.
To the other side.
We're going to the other side. So we're using a T40. So the sun visor is in the way of the roll bar bracket.
And that one is a T20.
And by the way, guys, I don't know what the fuck that is. Probably cat puke.
Looks like it.
Tyler pointed it out in the video the other day.
Yeah, it came up and I was like, what the hell is that, puke? And you're like, oh god! And it was like right next to your head the entire time. Hey.
I got excited. So currently what we're trying to do is get these hinges to budge so we can take this off because this is kind of stuck on here. We sprayed some WD-40 on here and hopefully it'll help it.
They're like really rusted on there, so don't be afraid to like get a screwdriver and really get it in there. The one I grabbed wasn't big enough, so we're gonna try this. You know it's bad when you go to close this
Ugh,
and it sounds like a trash compactor.
so much rust down here. Up is the windshield wiper motor. There's wires that run through, and it doesn't look like you can unhook it, so we're just probably gonna have to take this off. Remove the windshield wipers to get this to come out of the hole, and then this was a 10 mil on ours to take the wiper motor off. In order to take the windshield wiper off, literally you just get a little screwdriver and plop it off. Don't go too far in, it's just the...
Yeah, you want to make sure you...
Just the outer edge, otherwise you're trying to take this off, which doesn't come off.
Yeah, so you just want to hit that edge right there. Once that's off, you're just going to unscrew that right there. And that'll disconnect it, and you'll be able to pull that out.
In order to take the linkage off, what did you do, Tyler? You just kind of diamond pliered it?
Basically. Yeah, so...
All it is it just kind of sticks together.
Yeah, it's just a ball joint. So it's like a hip. And all that did is just press down on it. So I just took... You can use probably just a flathead screwdriver. And then just pop that up and it came right out.
So that linkage is out. So everything's out. The only thing that we need to do is get these rivets off for the VIN plate. And then take this little guy off, and then that should be it for disassembling this windshield.
Took a little bit of white lithium grease and sprayed it on the inside, that way everything runs nice and smoothly. Now if you take a look at the actual mechanism, you can see it's got 2 little notches, and on the mechanism itself has 2 notches right in the front. So the easiest thing to do is take this, line it straight up. Let's see. I'm just gonna drop this straight down. And then that should sit right into it. Now that that's in there, all I'm gonna do is just take a little bit of grease and just lightly get some on there. Just make sure that there's no complications with this thing later on down the road. I'm actually gonna do this to both of them real quick. And then what you want to do is take some channel locks and place them together over it, and then just clamp them straight down. Gotta go one more. And when you hear that kind of a click, you know you're good. Where the motor actually connects to this mechanism here, we decided to take off that bolt. So all we're gonna do now is slide this side in through the side, put it on. That's it.
So basically what I'm going to do tomorrow, because it's cold out tonight and it's like pitch black, I am going to paint the windshield wipers, the VIN cover, and this little baby, this little hook dude. I'm going to paint those tomorrow. I'm going to paint them black. I'm using this trim and bumper paint to paint these little covers on the front, just because if the windshield is painted black and those aren't painted, it'll look a little funny. So just giving those a quick paint. I have just enough bumper trim paint left to do it. So super excited. I'm going to paint everything tomorrow, and then hopefully we can get the windshield back in. We went ahead and put the new gasket on. It has 9 like tap screws basically that go all the way down. Alright, so we installed the windshield. It was kind of a pain in the butt because this is a new gasket, so it was like really stiff, and Tyler had to get up here and like push on it so I could get the screws in. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, you can see the color difference. I mean, this is really dirty, but from far away, it looks pretty good. I mean, my Jeep is like dirty anyways, but it's hard to tell from this angle. These turned out good. Painted those. Just I also painted the VIN plate. Hard top is on, and I got the screws. I'm only missing 2 holes right in the middle there. I need a new rear view mirror because mine was broken. Everything else went on really well. I did break my star pattern, my T40 I think. Just as we were done using it, it snapped off. It totally like broke. But yeah, I think it looks good. Here's the windshield wipers. They're still kind of drying. But those will look better than they did, and then I have my little hook here. Let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out good. I like it. Way better than the other one. It only has a little rust, like here, just along the edges, but just a little bit. I dig it. I'm happy. Later, guys.